Happy holidays, everyone. 'Tis the season. We at Fancy want to give back this year, and we are going to 2 women's shelters to bring some holiday cheer. Come with us and see what we're doing today. That was amazing. That's stop number 1. Follow us and we're gonna go to the second place.
We really appreciate it so much.
That was our second stop. We are done for our Santa Give Back today. It was so nice to just be able to put smiles on some people's faces, try and give back in your community this season, and I hope you guys join in with us on our fancy 12 Days of Christmas.